In this video, I'll show you how to upload files to DeepSeek Chat. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Uploading files to DeepSeek Chat allows for easier sharing of documents and facilitates efficient collaboration. This uploading feature allows you to easily upload various types of files, such as PDFs, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and images, directly into your chat conversations. These files can then be used as valuable data to enrich your interactions with DeepSeek Chat. To begin, you'll need to start a new chat. Once you're in the chat interface, you'll notice an Attach icon. This is where you can upload your files. Simply click on the Attach icon and a File Explorer window will open, allowing you to browse your computer. Select the file you wish to upload, and it will be added to the conversation. For example, suppose I'm selecting a PDF file or a doc. It's important to note that DeepSeek Chat currently supports extracting text from documents and images, but it can't describe images yet. However, you can still upload photos or images, though they won't be described by the system. Once your file is uploaded, you can interact with it by asking DeepSeek-specific questions. For instance, you can ask it to summarize the content of the white paper, and DeepSeek will provide a summary. It's also worth mentioning that while PDFs are commonly used, you can upload other file formats, such as Word documents, Excel files, and even images. In addition, if you prefer, you can copy and paste images directly into the chat as well. Whether you're working with documents or images, DeepSeek provides an easy way to incorporate external data into your chats. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.